Hello, today we have a 2014 BMW X5 F15 chassis with an N57 turbo diesel 6-cylinder in it. The customer complaint is that it has a rattle from the engine. This car has a rattle from what we believe is the mid-tensioner. We have it all taken apart. We are using the BAUM timing chain kit for the diesel BMW N47 and N57. This kit comes complete with the flywheel plate timing pin, right here, the camshaft alignment tool, the crankshaft pulley turning tool, the remover socket, the hex unit. These are both for the high pressure fuel pump. The hex unit and the remover socket, and the tensioner locking pins ×2. 1, 2, the second one's in there, and the crankshaft locking tool. All right, these are all the tools you will need for a successful timing chain repair on the N47 and N57. Flywheels removed from this car, the rear timing covers removed, and we have already timed the engine with the flywheel still on. So now the flywheel's removed. This is the crankshaft lock tool. You can see this pin right here. That pin is in the crankshaft. This is the bad tensioner right here. That's making noise. This is the oil pump chain and sprocket. You can see it only goes on one way. There's a nice little flat slide right there. It is a left-hand threaded bolt. Here is our bolt right here, holding that guy on. There's no tensioner on this chain. It just free floats. When you remove everything and you get it off, you kind of think it's a little bit loose, right? It's got some play in it when it's installed on the car. That's normal. That's how it should be. But that guy lives just right there. We have this tool provided in the kit. As we tighten this down, this is keyed in here, and this is how you remove this gear just like this. So the instructions said to have the QR codes facing up on the camshafts. That's like many European cars now. That just makes sure that your camshafts are in top dead center while you're putting the crankshaft on top dead center. Here is the cam lock back here, very similar to kind of like the old M50 cam blocks. The engine is still in the car, as you can see. We're doing this entire thing in the car with the transmission removed. The cam chain runs, there's just a single chain that runs straight back there on the intake side only. We are replacing that chain as well. There's no chain on the exhaust camshaft. It is driven off of a gear, off of the intake camshaft. Oil pump is the lower chain. Fuel pump is the middle chain. And then camshaft chain is the upper chain. It's set up in 3 chains on this engine. The car is now fixed. The chain slap noise is all gone. It's all quiet. Everything that we needed was in this kit. We did not need to get anything more. It will go on my wall of kits. I would not hesitate to buy this. It worked great.